Hello, hello. We've been trekking now through Rocky Gap Road in La Madre, or pardon me, this is the Rainbow Mountains, and I have been trying to find a Waterfall Canyon, and this place is huge. There's peaks, there's gullies, there's canyons all over the place. So the likelihood of being able to locate this place is like slim to none. So this is a road, there's a trail. It goes to Bridge Mountain, to North Peak, but it's my understanding also lots of people, as I have experienced here today, there's been trucks, off-roaders who come through here, and this is a rough road. There's no question about it. Anyways, and so we're in the middle of this. I mean, as you can tell, we're in the middle of nowhere. This is a wilderness area. La Madre is over there. This is Rainbow, and Rainbow continues up over here, and so you can't really, there is not anything out here. You don't have the trail markers, the trails, you don't have unsanctioned, you don't have anything out here. So being able to locate this place is like slim to none. But me being who I am and all, I think I have located this place. Pure anomaly. Let's go check it out. This is water. So we're going to see where this leads. I don't think that there's been a whole hell of a lot of people through this way. There's only like one or two that I'm aware of, and I talked to lots of hikers, rock climbers, off-roaders. Nobody's even heard of this place, let alone been able to locate it. So this place is incredible. This place is epic. This place is just, once again, unlike anything else that is out here in Red Rock Canyon. The question at this point, however, is this is looking pretty steep, and I would think thereafter it just gets more and more extravagant, beautiful. The waters probably get stronger, thicker, longer. So I don't know how much further I'm interested in heading back in here, but I wouldn't think that, maybe 15, 20, half an hour, hour and a half, all the way up, there's got to be an absolutely incredible waterfall. But this is Waterfall Canyon, Red Rock Canyon.